Making money on Etrade involves leveraging various investment strategies and tools available on the platform. Here's a concise guide. Trading stocks. Buy and sell. Purchase stocks you believe will increase in value and sell them at a higher price. Research. Use Etrade's research tools and market data to make informed decisions. Investing in ETFs and mutual funds. ETFs. Exchange-traded funds are diversified investment products that trade like stocks. Buy ETFs that align with your investment goals and hold them for growth or income. Mutual funds. Invest in mutual funds managed by professionals. They pool money from multiple investors to invest in diversified portfolios. Options trading. Buying options. Purchase call or put options to leverage price movements. Selling options. Write covered calls or sell puts to generate premium income. Dividend stocks. Buy dividend-paying stocks. Invest in stocks that pay regular dividends. Reinvest dividends to grow your investment. Futures trading. Trade futures contracts. Speculate on the price movements of commodities, currencies, or indexes. Utilize margin. Margin trading. Borrow money to trade more than your account balance allows.